nobody else.
That was so
guys,
sweet.
he grew up. Yeah, I never seen him. He
Guys,
was never ugly. He was just short.
That was so nice.
Yeah,
I meant sorry, he
why are
glowed
you
up.
turning so red?
I will. No, I think he
I
might
don't
get a
see
little
him.
uncomfortable.
Yeah, that's really. I see Gabby's.
Yeah.
He wanted some of his face. I'm like, okay.
Because like we're gonna get fucking like killed. Typical white girl shoes.
Man, my will pull LD back.
Abs.
Practice makes perfect.
Kevin.
I sent them in without paying, so you get to.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you.
Oh yeah, that's the day. Wait, can you cut that part out? I don't want anyone to see my crotch.
Someone pull up his Instagram. Let's give him.
Let's give him a shout out, Kevin. I'm gonna send you a Starbucks gift.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you a Starbucks gift.
Duncan, you
Hit his line, guys. Hit his line. Yo, slide in his DM. Kevin_121400. Follow him.
Literally sperm. Ew, what the fuck?
And we're walking.
When I do this, that means like two ass cheeks clapping. 1,
I'm ready to go to McDonald's.
2, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his head in the morning.
I'm who they trying to be. Look, I'm not just feeling some bait. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a groupie, you a op.
Jesus Christ, my Lord. Oh, it's up.
It's a one-way, you beanie bitch.
Yeah, well, I'll have solo cups anyway, right?
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
Hair ball.
Ow! Oh, sorry. I just stepped on her foot. Hey, Jen! Party at your house on Friday?
For a pretty boy collaboration. Everything you got behind you is amazing. I'm lifting up my voice to say.
I'm the motherfucking map. I'm the. Hey. Damn. Look at that lighting.
Jen, I like your hair.
Thanks.
Right.
Okay, it's a little bit too funny for me. I can't see.
Body like